guys, I'm actually in the cloud. Let's head up here and enter the cloud. Wow. I'm in a cloud, guys. Go by them tires. Because from the other spot, clearly, we are in the clouds. I can't believe I'm in a cloud, guys. This is crazy. July 5th. July 5th, guys. We got rain yesterday. Seen some fireworks from this spot. And now we're in a freaking cloud. Let's look up. It's all the same, guys. It's a cloud. Look at the tree over there. Look at the area I'm in right now. Okay? I'm in the cloud, guys. This is crazy. But cool. Let's see if we can zoom up on this a little bit. Look at that. That's a cloud, guys. I'm higher than that point down here. I'm actually in a cloud. This is wild. This is awesome. It's very humid. Definitely some moisture in the air. It's really cool. There's really no difference from where I am to up here. Okay, if I was up there, there's nothing to see, right? There's nothing to see. But since I'm here and there's stuff to see all the way around, we got trees, you know, we got obstacles, right? We got obstacles that we can see. Now, say I pulled this tree out of the ground, this one here, and I could fly up into the sky. It's gonna look the same, except I'd be holding the tree. Okay, I'd be holding a tree. Yeah, this is amazing. And I hear a plane. How does the plane know where it's going except by a compass? I can't even see the plane. Wow, this is crazy. I know, a lot of people's gonna be like, dude, that's fog. Okay, that's fog, dude. No, this is a cloud. This is cloud. It was even more thicker this morning. I'm on a higher elevation than a lot of people. This is really cool. I mean, if I went downtown somewhere, down the mountain, I probably wouldn't be in the cloud any longer. Okay? That's me. That tree right there is me standing right here. Okay? Okay, guys, now I'm by the truck where that fog was. Let's just look to where I was over here and see if I was in the cloud. Yep, there's the steps right there I was standing on. So I was actually in the cloud. So guys, I don't know if this is good to breathe. I don't know if this is good to breathe. You know, I'm gonna head back inside. You can kind of make out the little deck thing right there. Now I'll take it out of zoom. Okay. That's where I was.